Hello, my name is Ashley. Today we're going to do again another needle lace. I want to show you the design. This design calls empty field. Alright, now that we're going to start, I want to show you this is design it's going to be, which I call this empty field because really there's nothing, but it's very, very easy. So we're going to start. Now, again on a handkerchief, I want to show you. I just did regular seeds over here for you. Because you know what, when I go round and round, it's going to take time. So we're going to do on a little handkerchief, and you know how to do it later on. All right, well, now we're going to put the thread back. If nobody started or didn't know that, we're going to put the needle in the seeds, and always the thread will be on top, and this goes under. If nobody's seen this, you can go on my videos. There is plenty. One of them. So now that we started, we're going to go next to the seeds and we're going to make small seeds. Of course, with this thread it's a thick, and I'm going to show you a little bigger so you can see better. Let me bring like this and let me put the black color so you will see it. So this is the small seeds. Now we do one. We don't have to jump, but second one we have to jump. You put to the while you're jumping, again, the same way you do. And of course, you don't have to do this big. I'm just trying to show you with this thread, with this handkerchief, just to make you sure that you can see very well. And then next to it you go, you make small one, just regular seed. And then you jump one, you leave one, you jump to the next. And you make a little bridge. I call this bridge. Let's see the thread, what happened. All right. When your thread pulls it, whatever, you can always pull it with the needle and open it and hold it with your finger and pull it so it doesn't go back small. All right, now we jump one, we go to the next. And we make little seeds. We jump here. Let's push this up. Make sure that you always hold tight your needle lace, and that's how you pull it, so you don't have to rip. You leave one, you jump to the next. There you go. This thread, I just added over there because I needed a little longer to show you. So now you go to the next, you make little seeds. And then you leave one, you jump the next. This is very, very simple design, but it's very beautiful. And now you go to the next one. You make little seeds. All right. Now, let's say you went all around. When you go all around, let me cut my thread. You go all around and you reach back here. Now from here to here, you have to make on the big loop, bridge, right here, you make small one. You have to make small seeds. And then you will jump to the little seeds and make a big loop. My threads are getting old, I guess. I should buy new things. All right, you make a big loop, just like this. You go now to the big loop. You have to make small seeds, just like this. And then you jump to the small seeds and you make the big loop. Now you go to the big loop and you make small seed. Then you go to the small seeds again and you make a bigger loop. Make sure you don't make it too big, but good enough that it will make it nice and even all the time. And now you, on a big loop, we have to make small seeds. And then in a small one, we go to make a big loop. All right, now we're gonna cut this. Let's pretend we're going round and round again. So you go, when you reach here to the small seeds, you arrived here. All right, let's make this thread even. Okay, you arrived to the small seed. Now you go on a big loop again and you take small seeds. This is how you're gonna continue. Now we are on a big loop, right? You have to go to the small seeds and you keep your big loop. See, when I pull it too much, what it does, it folds. So I'm not supposed to pull it too much. Just perfect to be, so it will look nice and flat for you. Now I have to go to the big loop and I have to make small seeds. And when you make small seeds, always pull it up a little bit with your needle. So now do you see here? All the small seeds are going to be longer and the big ones are going to come on top of each other. Now I go to the small seed again. I'm sure you got the message, what am I doing? And it's going to look very, very beautiful. Now you go small seeds and now you jump to the small one to make a big loop. And then small seeds again. And then over here it's already finished. So let's make it a big loop. Well, there isn't, I guess. So anyway, so this is the way you will do it. It's not hard, it's beautiful. I want to show you. Again, you go back again when you turn around. Again, you go on a small one. You make a little seeds and then you jump to the seeds. You make a big loop. From here, you make small seed and then you jump to the small seed to make a big loop. And I want to show you that how good, how pretty it's going to look. Let's see the front part. Let's show it so straight you can see it better. Here it is. Here is the design. You see how pretty it is? You can make it as wide as you can, as wide as you want. I want to show you later on another design. It's very, very simple. That you can do it almost at the end, so it can be your needle lace much faster and it gets bigger. All right, well, this is the way it has to be and it looks very beautiful, I think, and I'm sure you're gonna try this and you're gonna love it. So this is the design. Well, thank you very, very much again for watching. Next, I want to show you the easiest one for you. All right, bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.